If you could have any job in the world, what job would you choose? Ambassador, engineer, great lawyer, chef, or any order? Explain yourself. What has been the last job you have had? What's important to you? Yellow. My name is Jonathan Valdez, System Engineering student of the English 2 course. This time we are going to work on some questions about the labor item. Where thanks to my personal training, I could start in the professional world. Why the starting from a position which I wanted to obtain. So start in the world of engineering. Therefore, I'm wearing the question that if I could have any job, why I would choose. I would say that or more work and the best has given me the opportunity to be and have what I have wanted. My last job I have had is that of data manager, a remote work with work flexibility and with an excellent environment and been important since it has given me the freedom to perform my tasks independently and to be able to enhance them anywhere in the world without being dependent on a fixed place where I work. This is also thanks to the business methodological change that the world has had thanks to the growth of remote work. Thanks. Goodbye.